Hi, today in front of me Nokia G60 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's launch the settings application and then click here to network and internet section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, click once here on the switcher and now you will see here all the available networks which we can connect. For example, let's use this one. Here we should enter the password. If you want to see this password, we should click here on this checkbox, for example, to handle some mistakes. And now I'll enter it. Then just click here to connect. Wait a second, and now we can see that our device connected successfully to this network. If you want to see all of the networks previously connected, you can find them here in Save Networks section. So just to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on this Wi-Fi switcher and that's it. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel here, tap once here on the Wi-Fi switcher. Just we can see that the Wi-Fi is activated. If you want to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it and now we just open them successfully. If we want to just turn it off, we should click here once again on the Wi-Fi icon and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.